Well, hello, my friends. We're back again. I'm going to throw another one to the algorithm copyright gods of YouTube to give you this song. This song is off the first album by Sleep Token. This is the Sundowning album. This song is Dark Signs. It has a really, really nice subwoofer sort of subtone. The song picks up towards the end, so if you stay with me, you'll hear what I'm talking about. The reason why I've subscribed or basically fallen in love with Sleep Token over the number of years is they have such a unique, or the singer has such a unique style of singing. There's a lore behind the whole band. People have always speculated on what they're singing about, what the songs are about, who he's referring to. It came into my life at a time when I really needed some sort of a emotional distraction. There's actually a song called Distraction. So anyways, mind the plane sounds out in the parking lot. We're going to get into this one. I'll give you the whole song recorded through my phone. And yes, please note, I don't have bare feet today. So shout out to Under Armour socks. All right, here we go. This is playing through the CD player, through Rotel, Orchard Audio amps, Ultra Evolution bookshelf speakers, SB1000 Pro, SVS subs, all wired in with synergistic research. Not that it matters, you can't hear anything through my phone anyways. But anyways, here we go.
I was raised, there wasn't no street lights, just pitch black and passing headlights. Where we met, there must have been dark signs, omens in your skies. Most days you reach for safety,
have it. That was Dark Signs by Sleep Token off of their Sundowning album. This is quite the incredible album. It sets off the trilogy of albums that they have made in a theme that most people are calling Trilogy of Sorrow, I believe it's referred to, or Trilogy of Trauma, because each of the albums discusses themes and emotional content related to loss, confusion, dealing with these kinds of emotions, referring to a figure or a person or situations. No one really knows. There's no facts about it. The band has been behind a mask since they started. It's very interesting. There's lots and lots and lots of videos out there. If you're new to the band at all and you have any questions about the band, please ask me in the comments or Google the band's name, Sleep Token. I'm sure you'll find a lot about them. They've been very popular this last year. They've been on 2 major world tours based on their latest album being Take Me Back to Eden, which I will eventually get to in my demos. This is the latest album. You can see that they have these runes written in their language that actually says Take Me Back to Eden in their alphabet. You can actually look up Sleep Token alphabet, and you can translate all the symbols. There's the song list on Take Me Back to Eden. If you're into metal, I would say that this band is a little light, so it might actually be better suited for people who are not really heavy metal band or heavy metal fans. It's mixed genre, as you heard. That song didn't sound like metal until the end of the song. So I'll leave that with you. These are the SVS Ultra bookshelves, Ultra Evolution bookshelf. God, these names are getting longer and longer. I wish it would be something simple, like keep it to 1 syllable. Like, be creative, come up with something that's 1 syllable, and stop making us read out an inventory type list of words and phrases. I mean, how much higher than Ultra can you get? You get Pinnacle, then you get this like Hyper, and then you get Supreme, and you know what I mean? It's like marketing catchphrasing. Not to knock on SVS, because everybody does it. It's just like, enough already. We're overstimulated as a consumer market. We don't need to keep going higher and higher and higher with these words. Enough is enough. They're SVS bookshelves 2024. How about that? Anyways, that's enough for me, and I will see you in the future. I'll be recording clips all week of these SVS, and I may not put all kinds of music in there because I kind of want to reserve a little bit for myself here. The algorithm works against me if I'm giving away the monetization on the platform. The only way that I'll be able to keep doing this in the future is if I eventually figure out how to make money doing it, because otherwise, really, it takes up a lot of time and effort. Anyways, that's enough for me. Thank you for watching this one. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section. Like and subscribe is optional, but commenting is very, very encouraged. Okay, see you guys later. Thank you.